Hello, this is Annie and I'm here to show you a simple and easy Christmas ornament, that is crochet Christmas tree. Let's get started. So these are the materials required. Let's start the project with a slip knot. Grab the longer end of the yarn, make a loop, place the long end under the loop, hold on to the shorter end. With a crochet hook, pull the yarn through, and this is your slip knot. And this is how I hold the yarn, that is, I wrap around my index finger a couple of times and hold with my little finger. Now let's chain. To chain, grab the yarn with the hook and pull through the loop to create your first chain. Again, grab the yarn and pull through the loop to create your second chain. Grab the yarn and pull through and repeat the same process until you have 70 chains. And this is how the chains look. Next, chain 2 more and we will start with half double crochet. To half double crochet, yarn over the hook and into the third chain from the hook, that is the 70th chain. Pull the yarn. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull the yarn through all 3 loops. Let's do it again. Now into the next chain, yarn over, pull the yarn. You have 3 loops. Grab the yarn and pull the yarn through all 3 loops. This is your second half double crochet. Repeat this process on all the 70 chains. I'll do it offline and get back. And this is how half double crochet looks like. To finish, pull the yarn through, cut the yarn and tighten the yarn. To fasten off, thread the loose end into the yarn needle. On the back of the project, weave back and forth a couple of times so it is tucked in, and cut the extra yarn. Repeat on the other loose end, and this is how it looks. Now the fun part, designing it to form the shape of a tree. Make sure to start the base, that is the first layer, longer, and as you go up, make it a little smaller every time. Hope you will understand when you see it. I'm gonna use pearls. You can use whatever beads you have, any size, color, and I'm gonna place it like so, that is after every 2 layers. I'll use the scrap yarn to weave all these together. You can use the same yarn or any twine. Thread in the yarn, do not tie the end, and push the needle through all the layers while maintaining the tree shape. Pull the yarn through, leaving some tail. Tie a knot to hang. And push the needle back through all the layers. Adjust the shape, tie the knot at the end and trim off the excess. And there you have it, crochet Christmas tree, which is simple and easy Christmas ornament to hang on the tree or to gift it as is. Hope you would try this. See you in the next video. Bye.